Right, just a quick update. Okay, so got a really good sort of butcher's out now, and I think that should be, it looks horrendous, but it's not that complicated. This side's probably more tricky, because you've got to cut it out. Obviously, there's seals on the bottom of the thing, that's all nasty. The ramp, I can't get it high enough, I'm struggling to get higher, which is not really helping me, so I've got an issue there. I've got to try and get it higher. I've also, looking through my collection of crap, and I've actually found a caliper. So, one caliper, which is pretty good. So I'm hoping that I will not have such a ordeal for the brakes. So that's good. I'm trying to get the cables out here. This has been a bit of a tricky one because this is threads up through. So got it out. I'm trying desperately not to mess up too much there. Yeah, hey, I've got issues, but let's be honest. I consider what it looked like what it was mere 20 days ago. I think it's an improvement. So, like I say, we'll find a caliper there. Oh, you can see it. Go on, caliper. Yes. And what I've got to do now is try to work out exactly how. I got a friend of mine said you'd come and give me a hand with these hinges. He's got a bit more patience maybe than I've got at the moment. I'm just getting bogged down with it. I've found some sills. I've got the sills up in the roof there, ready made. I've just got to cut them down. I don't want to take all that out because I'm going to end up with sort of like, so the doors open and close all right at the moment. So I think I'm not going to try and get too involved with the structural side. If I can just repair that inner sill, put some strength back in it, the rest of it, well, I ain't going to worry. Did a little beating there on that wheel arch. You can see the wheel arch with a bit of like our old mate P38, not the Range Rover type. Hopefully that'll go in. Can't really say too much more. I like to say I've got to try and get it higher. I just haven't got anything. I was going to take the outside out from this one, but then I got to get this one down on the ground, which with all the crap under it's got to go somewhere. So, and I know it could. I mean, I really am short of space, as you can see. So I've got to get some of the interior to go in the drive. So my next mission is to find someone to lead the interior. And just for good measure, you can hear the rain never stopping outside. So yeah, I got a few ideas. I've got my prop blaster over there, look ready. I've got a bag of sand there, so I'm going to sort of possibly just try and blast that so I can get decent weld onto those points. I don't know, as I said, it's never going to be factory, but it's always going to be a restoration project for somebody else, not in my lifetime. But if I just get it moving, I mean, I'll be a happy camper. Anyway, so my next mission before the batteries, which is nearly about to die, this is 3 minutes long, so 3 minutes of just me talking dribble. I'm hoping that, as I say, the springs must be very short on the back. I can't quite work out. I mean, it did come down, or go down quite a way, so I wonder whether that, there's a bit of issue there that needs to be addressed. But we'll see. I'm not going to go too mad. As I said, at the moment, I just want to try and see if I get some strength into the outer sills, then I could possibly support it on the sill and put it on the jacking point there, and then I can sort out those radius arm bits at the back in the right place with sort of make my own D-links up. Right, so before the battery dies, I'm going to sign off, but I have no idea. You look at it, you just think, one man, can I do it? I don't know. I'm going to give my best shot, I don't know much. And I've got a deadline as well. I want to get it done as soon as I can. I mean, literally, and when I say soon, I mean, I'm talking, I'd like to have it run and drive in, possibly by end of, what do you think? Can I get it driving by the end of February? I don't know. Because I have other things I would like to cut. I mean, right, I'll do this, quick as I can before the battery goes. I've got some of the cars I want to do that might be quicker, so I'm going to sort of pull in maybe my Marcus and try and do the old Marcus, get her done a little bit, to give me a breathe. But when I do the welding on this, I've really got to hit into it and do all of it in one go. So I'm debating whether just to get the welding done, but then I'd want to do the mechanical. So I don't know. Maybe I just got to come up with a better idea, which is I mean, I was maybe just get this one finish this one if I can. Yeah, anyway, so right, I'll leave that there. I'm going to just pack it in. I'm going to say that it has been an ordeal. It's now Sunday morning, probably dinner time. And as I said, I'm just going to have a break from it for a minute. Cleared load, found loads of crap in the shed, so it needs to be go out somewhere. But again, don't want to throw it out. It's just too valuable. So anyway, we'll see. We're gonna have to get it set up with a bender folder and a welder, and I need it higher, and then I can have a go at the welding. And if I blast all the bits, I'll get covered. I can put my suit on. Got a company toolbox up. Troubles with that grit, it goes everywhere. I mean, it really does, and it can't get outside. So I think I'm just going to have to cover everything up and go with a layer of sand over everything, but I've done it before. Toolbox again, look, not closing. Right, anyway, so right, shutting off there, and I will say au revoir for now, and as they say, I will go put the old battery on charge, and hopefully I won't get too much done before I get the old camera back out again. So, sign off for now. Ooh.